Welcome to this video on the power of affiliate marketing and the benefits of financial freedom. In this video, we will discuss how affiliate marketing can help you achieve financial freedom and the numerous benefits that come with it. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It is one of the most popular and effective ways to make money online. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to have your own product or service to sell. All you need to do is promote someone else's product, and you earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link. The power of affiliate marketing lies in its ability to generate passive income. Once you have set up your affiliate links, you can earn commissions even when you're not actively promoting the product. This means that you can make money while you sleep or while you're on vacation. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that it's a low-risk business model. You don't have to invest a lot of money up front, and there are no inventory or shipping costs to worry about. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Financial freedom is the ability to live the life you want without having to worry about money. It gives you the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with your loved ones, and travel the world. With affiliate marketing, you can achieve financial freedom by creating a passive income stream that allows you to earn money while you focus on the things that matter to you. Financial freedom also gives you peace of mind. You don't have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck or losing your job. Instead, you can create a stable income stream that allows you to build a solid financial foundation for yourself and your family. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. It's a low-risk business model that allows you to earn passive income while you focus on your passions and goals. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, consider getting started with affiliate marketing today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.